Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie Austin here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a total body workout using a booty band or a resistance band. I posted a video about 1 year ago that is probably one of my most watched videos using a booty band. So I thought, why not do another one? Because obviously you guys like that one. But that video was all moves toning our lower half. And I want to show you how to use your booty band toning your entire body. So we are going to do just that. So take your booty band or your resistance band and have it right here in your arms. I want your arms to be super strong right here. Good posture. What we're gonna do is take a squat with those arms straight out. As you come up, I want you to pull towards your chest, and as you squat back down, arms go straight, come up, squeeze. You got it? Here we go. Squeeze and squat. Oh, I'll call this the squeeze and squat. Love it. So in this one, I'm getting my back muscles, also my abs as they're super tight when I pull, and of course my booty with the squats. Again, when you're squeezing that band, don't only focus on your upper body, but make sure you're squeezing your glutes as well. Awesome. Let's do 4, 3, 2, last one, squeeze and relax. Next, this booty band is going to go on our ankles. Nice work right here. What I want you guys to do now, we are actually just going to have one leg up, just like that, hands behind our head, and we're gonna flutter. This move is freaking killer because it doesn't look like much, but once you start doing it for 10 seconds, you're like, oh my God, my outer thigh is burning already. Gets your obliques, your outer thighs, great. Stay right here, stay with me. Hands behind your head, inhale and exhale. Great. For 3, 2, 1, let's switch. If you guys like my YouTube workouts, make sure to check out my website. It's katieaustin.tv, and I have over 115 in-home workouts, full follow-along videos. If you're looking for longer videos, make sure to check that out. Plus, I have an app in the App Store just called Katie Austin, so search it. 3, 2, 1, relax. Oh, my legs are on fire. Okay, next move, what we're gonna do is a tap back. So we're staying low in a narrow squat. We're gonna tap back and forward. Back and forward. But as we're doing this with me, do it with me, we're gonna go a little bit faster. So we're gonna make it a little hop in between. Ready, in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Hop with it and tap back. Use those arms. Great. It's not a lunge back, it's just a tap back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. You can take that booty band off of your ankles. We're gonna put it back on in a sec, but to give our legs just a little bit of a break and work our arms now, take that booty band and we're gonna do a reverse lunge, but just like we did those squats, band comes right here on our arms. We're gonna do a reverse lunge, and what I want you to do with the band, if you can't see it from the side, we're gonna squeeze on the outers. So squeeze out, come back to center. Reverse alternate, squeeze, center. Here we go. This is amazing for our arms, our shoulders, but also getting our legs. Making sure that front knee doesn't go over that front toe. Beautiful. You have good posture when you're squeezing that band. Last 2. Last 1. Awesome. Woo, are you feeling it? I am. All right, this band, again, is gonna come straight out, butt overhead. Here we're gonna go have a little booty pop with a pull down. Booty pop, pull down. Great, here we go. Get those hips involved. Try to pull that band towards that hip, but when you're pulling down, that other arm really, really stays right there, strong. Awesome. Let's squat a bit lower with it now. Nice work. For 3, for 2, for 1. Awesome. All right, next for our arms, what I want you guys to do, grip one hand to the booty band extra tight. Come right here, almost like you're about to do a row. So, hands a little bit forward, abs tight, knees bent. What I want you guys to do is work our triceps. We're gonna kick it back and forward, back, forward. Awesome work. Back. Squeeze those triceps. Nice. I really want you guys to do this with making sure you're not moving anything else but that forearm. See how I'm almost on a hinge right there? Awesome work. 3, 2, and 1. And let's switch sides. So grab onto that band, knees bent, abs tight. Let's get that elbow up just a little bit more. Awesome work. Great, squeeze that tricep. It's like the hardest to reach area of our body. Get that elbow up more. We got 3, 2, and 1. Awesome work. When you come down, I want you guys to meet me on my mat, but as you come down, put the booty band over your ankles. What we're gonna do here is go almost like we're gonna do a booty lift, but the band is around our ankles. So what I want you guys to do is have a straight leg and flutter. Just like that, adding just a little bit more resistance to it, and it makes it that much harder. Great work. If your band is like falling off and annoying you right now, because I know sometimes it does that, you can also put your band over your heel so it won't do it, and you can kind of control it that way. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, and switch. Nice work. Seriously, it makes this move so much more challenging with just a little bit of resistance. It's crazy. For 3, 2, 1. Swing around. That booty band doesn't move, stays on your ankles. This one is going to work our abs and our outer thighs. So come onto your booties just like this. We're gonna have our knees come in towards our chest, just like that. As your knees go out, you're gonna come open up those legs, come back to center, and knees go to chest. Here we go. Nice work. The harder to make it is those feet are closer to the floor. To make it easier, your legs come up a little bit more. Great. We got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Woo, come up onto your feet right here. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. We're gonna end with some jump squats, right with our band around there to make it a little bit harder. So 10 jump squats. Let's finish strong. Here we go. Last one, and relax. Whoop, whoop. You killed that workout. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out the Katie Austin app. I will see you guys later. Bye.